In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set FPS limit in Steam games. Limiting your frame rate is a simple way to keep your PC cooler and quieter, reduce GPU strain, and make frame pacing feel more consistent. It's also handy if your monitor refresh rate is 60, 120, or 144 Hz and you want the game to stick close to that target. You can change or remove the cap at any time using the same menus, so nothing here is permanent. We'll start with a per game cap directly from Steam. Open your Steam library, find the game you want, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the General tab, look for Launch Options. In that box, type FPS Max 60, replacing 60 with the exact limit you want, for example 120 for a 120 Hz display. Close the window and launch the game from Steam. That command applies a per title FPS cap, so it won't affect any other game. If the game doesn't recognize that command, don't worry, the NVIDIA driver method works broadly and gives you precise control. If you're on an NVIDIA graphics card, open NVIDIA Control Panel. In the sidebar, click Manage 3D Settings, then switch to the Program Settings tab. Add the game's executable by clicking Add and selecting the games.exe file. After it's listed, scroll the feature list to find max frame rate. Turn it on, set the FPS number you want 60, 90, 120, or any value that fits your monitor and click Apply. Launch the game through Steam as usual to play with the limit in effect. You can also choose where this limit applies. Use Program Settings when you want a specific cap for a specific title. Use Global Settings if you'd like the same FPS limit for every game on your system. Global is great for a quiet, cool default, while Program Settings lets you fine-tune competitive titles individually. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.